welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this unit that I have installed. So today's hair sponsor is OriginalQueenHair. I have here a transparent 13x4 180% density 24-inch pre-plucked wig. This is in the ginger orange color. It's kind of giving Sideshow Bob. Okay, so I'm noticing that there's a deep widow's peak. I don't know how I feel about that. And also, see where my hairline actually stops, you can see the hair. So I would have to pull the wig that forward and then I would have that deep widow's peak. So I'm probably gonna remove some of that hair. I wanted to go in and remove some of that widow's peak, so I'm going to be taking some of that hair off with me. I need to focus on fitting this wig to my face, so I'm gonna do the rest of it off camera, but we're gonna come back and like style it up. But it's pretty much done. We just need to work on like the ends and stuff like that, the sides. Okay, you guys, so I might have cut too much lace off of that side, but this side's a little bit longer, so the sideburns, so when I wear it the next time, I'll just like scoot it over a little bit. When I'm doing my wigs, I have no idea of like what I'm actually gonna do to them until I start doing it. So you might be looking at me thinking, why are you plucking it now? Why didn't you do it before? Well, I didn't know that I didn't want those hairs there. Now I know. What are we doing? I think we're just gonna have to go with it. Just go with it. Trust the process, guys. I get one more hair on my goddamn eyelash. I think I'm gonna leave the sideburns alone today. I don't think we're going for a sideburns look. So this is what the curls look like before I'm combing through it. We're gonna have to do something about the top. I honestly don't know what to do with this wig. It's so big. It's so orange. Grow, 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 just with my
behind me. I don't wanna grow, just be myself. I just wanna be, I don't wanna live behind all the things I left behind me.
When I got this wig, I definitely thought, wow, it was such a vibrant, beautiful color. The hair feels very soft, and you know, putting it on, I noticed that it did have like a widow's peak hairline. That type of hairline really does not do justice for me because I have really like far in sideburns, like baby hairs. So I usually have to pull my wigs closer to cover those. Therefore, the widow's peak usually goes like about there. The good thing about these frontal wigs, you guys, you can customize it to fit your own needs. This is what the curl pattern looks like. It is a very tightly coiled, kinky, curly wig, and this wig gets really big. So when I first put it on, I didn't wet it and I thought I would just style it that way, but I noticed like as I was combing through it, it was looking a bit messy. So what I actually did was wet the hair down and then kind of just comb through it, and then it defined the curls a bit more. And especially like up here, I noticed that the roots area was kind of like pretty straight. I'm not a huge fan of that. I think if this wig was, you know, curled really tightly from the roots, it would have looked even cuter. But nonetheless, you guys, it's a great wig to do an updo on because the hair is straight there. So you can just imagine how cute an updo would look with this unit. So yeah, the possibilities are definitely endless, but I definitely wanted to just do a traditional part just to show you guys how it looks. But of course, you guys, before I go, I'm gonna make this wig very, very big. So if you're looking to be Sideshow Bob for Halloween or Chucky, I think this is a really good option. I think this is like the color of his hair. It's really pretty on dark skin tones, and there is a lot of hair on this wig. Look how big she gets. That's just one side. So yeah, this wig can get very big, you guys, and I want to show you how big it can get before I go, because what type of video would it be if I didn't do that? Comment down below your thoughts on this ginger orange wig trend. I think it's gonna be a new trend, you guys. I know the ginger wigs have been pretty popular, and I feel like this is the new color that we're moving towards. Now it is definitely Sideshow Bob, Chucky, you know, all that good stuff. I don't know what else I could think of, but like, yeah, it's just really cute. I like it. I think this color is a lot of fun. And if you guys are thinking about trying this color, I think you should, because you'll be surprised on how nicely it complements your skin tone. And this wig would look good pretty much on anyone. It is a transparent lace as well, so keep that in mind. That is the end of my review. If you found this video helpful, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You know, we do lots of wig giveaways over here. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.